Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management for the Central Coast. Today I'm in Stockton, 3120 Delaware, apartment number 4. This is a collaboration with Redwood Property Investors. If you are interested and love brand new properties, this is the one for you. This has just been renovated. Everything's brand new here. Flooring, walls, paint, everything. Double pane windows. There's some window treatments coming. This is luxury wide plank vinyl flooring. And here's a soft close cabinets, lots of cabinets. 4-burner range and refrigerator and microwave. What's really nice about this is this protective outdoor area that you have. You can see a nice tall fence that's at least 6.5 feet high. So gives you lots of privacy. Lots of windows in here that look out onto the greenery. Here's another walk-in closet. There's a couple of them in this unit. And here, let's see if we can get this light on. Okay. Here's a sink and toilet. So if you have guests or family, friends, as you're down here entertaining, you have a place to go freshen up. All right, walking up these stairs, really plush carpeting underfoot. We're greeted with this brand new bathroom. Sink, medicine cabinet right there, which is convenient for storing things. Bathroom, tub, shower, secondary bedroom, double pane windows with screens, and you have a closet space there. Fan, which is nice, move the air. And then here you have the primary bedroom. Again, double pane windows. This faces the courtyard. And here we have nice big closet, which is why we call it the primary. And this one's fun because it kind of moves over to the left here. So you have a little hiding space there, if you will. And exit out of here. All right, so if you're interested in this property, let us know. We're doing showings. We'd love to see you here. We'd love for you to rent it, and so we can have you as a resident. We have a great property management team here to take care of you. So we look forward to hearing from you and going from there. All right, thanks again for watching. All right, bye-bye.